Hi friends, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am going to give a lecture on the topic Data Warehouse. This lecture is meant for Semester 4 and Semester 6 BCA course of Kerala University. A data warehouse is used to connect and analyze business data from heterogeneous sources. It is the core of business intelligence system which is built for data analysis and reporting. Data warehousing is the process of collecting and managing data from various sources to provide meaningful business insights. It's an electronic storage of a large amount of information by a business which is designed for query and analysis instead of transaction processing. Uses of data warehouse. Data warehouse is a database which is kept separately from organization's operational database. In this, frequent data updation is not done. It helps executives to organize, understand, and use their data to take strategic decisions. It helps in the integration of diversity of application systems. It also helps in consolidated historical data analysis. The data warehouse and operational database are different entities. An operational database is constructed for searching particular records and indexing. But in data warehouse, queries are complex and present data in general form. An operational database query allows to read and modify operations, while an OLAP query needs only read-only access of stored data. An operational database maintains current data, whereas a data warehouse maintains historical data. A data warehouse system is otherwise known as decision support system, executive information system, management information system, business intelligence solution, or an analytic application. The features of data warehouse are subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non-volatile. First one, subject oriented. A data warehouse is subject oriented because it provides information around a subject. These subjects can be product, customers, suppliers, sales, revenue, etc. It does not focus on ongoing operations. Next one, integrated. A data warehouse is constructed by integrating data from heterogeneous sources such as relational database, flat files, etc. It enables effective analysis of data. Third one, time variant. The data collected is identified with a particular time period. The last one is non-volatile. That is, the previous data is not erased when new data is added to it. Types of data warehouse. There are three types of data warehouse. They are enterprise data warehouse, operational data store, and data mart. First one, enterprise data warehouse. It's a centralized warehouse which provides decision support service across enterprise. It offers a unified approach for organizing and representing data. It also provides the ability to classify data according to the subject. Second one, operational data store. It is also known as ODS. In this, data warehouse is refreshed in real time. So it is widely used for routine activities. The last one is data mart. It's a subset of data warehouse and is designed for particular business. It can collect data directly from source. Functions of data warehouse. The functions of data warehouse are data extraction, data cleaning, data transformation, data loading, and refreshing. First one, data extraction. It involves the process of gathering data from multiple heterogeneous sources. Second one is data cleaning. It involves the process of finding and correcting the errors in data. Third one, data transformation. It's the process of converting the data from legacy format to data warehouse format. Fourth one, data loading. It involves sorting, summarizing, consolidating, checking integrity, and building indices and partitions. The last one is refreshing. It involves updating data from data sources to warehouse. Data warehouse applications. The three types of data warehouse applications are information processing, analytical processing, and data mining. In information processing, data warehouse allows to process the data stored in it. It can be done through querying, statistical analysis, reporting, or graphs. In analytical processing, the data can be analyzed by means of basic OLAP operations, including slice and dice, drill down, drill up, and pivoting. Next one is data mining. It supports knowledge discovery by finding hidden patterns and associations. Mining results can be presented using visualization tools. What is data warehouse used for? I have told you earlier that data warehouse is used widely for routine activities. The most common sectors where data warehouse is used are airline, banking, healthcare, public sector, investment and insurance sector, retail chain, telecommunication, and hospitality industry. The advantages of data warehouse are it allows business users to quickly access critical data. It provides consistent information. It helps to integrate many sources of data to reduce stress on production system. It helps to reduce total turnaround time for analysis and reporting. As the data can be accessed from a number of sources in a single place, it saves users time of retrieving data. As it stores large amount of historical data, it helps the users to analyze different time periods and trends to make future predictions. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.